In today's video, we have a basic walk around of my local Sam's Club, trying to highlight some detailing products as well as just basic DIY springtime items that are available at your local Sam's Club. Obviously mine may be a little bit different, but I highlight everything that I found that may be of great value to you. So stay tuned guys, here we go. All right guys, so we are here at Sam's Club. I figured why not? I had a couple of returns to do anyway, so I figured let's kind of highlight some things that are for the detailing industry, for your DIYers at home, weekend warriors. First off, starting up right here, guys, the Cat electric pressure washer at 2200 PSI. I did a full review on this thing on my channel. I'll link that up here so you guys can check that out, but it is currently $149.98. Additionally, from the Armor All brand, guys, we have just a, windshield protection here. So nice reflective coating on one side, jumbo size, it's 60 by 28. This thing's coming in at a price of $7.98. So it's a nice way to keep your interior protected from the sun and UV rays. Up here, 200-piece mechanics tool set, ratcheting wrenches, which is really nice, coming in at a price of $100, $99.98. Moving on, we have this really cool 50-foot cord reel, 4 outlets, 13 amps. Let's see what gauge the actual, there you go, 14 gauge cord, but really nice little option here to be able to run a bunch of your power items. And that's coming in at a price of $29.98. If you're looking for storage, they have quite a few options here, at least at my local store. And the most intriguing to me is these guys here. It's a whole little matching set. So you have this first up, right? 36-inch wide cabinet, $219, 36 inches wide, 18 inches deep, 72 inches high. It is locked up, but obviously I believe it's a 5-shelf kind of a deal. Let me see here if it shows us 4 shelves total, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I guess the bottom as well. But really nice little setup there. Additionally, we have this incredible cabinet here. This is coming in, it's a rolling workbench, 77 inches wide. You obviously have drawers on sliders. You have pegboard sides, which is also a really cool option. It is lockable, so really cool. And that is coming out at a price of $499. Let me see if I can get you guys some more dimensions and things like that about this thing. So 77 inches wide, 20 inches deep, 37.5 tall. It is on wheels, lockable wheels on one side. Super cool. I really like this. Gives you an option to really build out your garage, guys, all right, at a good price. So you can get this, you can get these here as well. And then there's one other thing, which is this guy here. Just an adjustable height table. So it adjusts from 28.5 to 42 inches. Really cool. I don't know if it looks like it's just on a peg system. It's not like you can wind it, but still really nice, coming in at $229.98. And if you need some more heavy duty style racks, we also have this guy here. It's a 4-shelf industrial rack, $199.83. Let's see if we can get some weight. I don't know if it shows. Welded steel frames and beams, heavy duty shelves, 10,000 pounds or 2,500 pounds per shelf. So really heavy duty rack there. We've also got this Stanley FatMax jump starter, USB power and air compressor all in one. Really nice little unit here, coming in at $89.98. I use the little lithium small battery packs as my jumpers, and I love those, but this is nice that it has everything in one. It works with the V8 engines, 4.6 liters. Hi guys, we're here into some vacuums, and I haven't been able to find an industrial style wet dry vac here, but we do have this if you're in need of a carpet cleaner, a little extractor. We do have this option from the Clean Slate shampoo from the QUIVR brand, currently on sale, $69.91. Fantastic deal here. So you got your water tank, your recovery tank, a nice crevice tool. I think it even comes with a smaller one. Yeah, right here. So you can really get into the tight spots. Comes with some Oxy cleaner. Great deal there for $69.91. All right, guys, now coming up to the microfiber section, I think Sam's Club is well known to have these awesome 36 count microfiber towels. And the thing that I really like about the Sam's Club's ones is that they have multiple colors. We got blue, green, I believe there's a yellow or an orange typically. And these are rated as an 80% polyester, 20% polyamide. Now they do have an edge to them. So you have a sewn in edge there. I don't know where the They do still have the tag sewn into the edge as well. I personally like the ones from Costco better, but the fact that you can get multiple colors in these is really, really cool. The price has come up a little bit since the last time I checked these things out. We are now at $17.28, but it is the 16 by 16 size that I prefer. We also have these guys here. They're extra large multi-purpose towels. They're 16 by 24. Again, not my favorite size here, and I hate the fact that they're sealed up there but not up here, so you can get contamination in the towel before you even use it. There is 3 different colors in there though: blue, gray, and yellow, so that's nice. It's a 24 pack coming in at $16.78. And then we've also got a 4-pack of 19-ounce cans of Spray Away brand glass cleaner with foaming action. They are ammonia free, so it should be safe on tent, coming in at a price of $6.98. Additionally, guys, from the same brand, I don't know if I'd use this in the car because I've never used this stuff before, but for around the home, you have an all-purpose foaming cleaner here. Cleans and disinfects. 3-pack for $7.98. All right, guys, then we have some hose options. So I don't know, this thing looks kind of kinked already to me, so this doesn't look like, this is not a hose that I personally would want. It's just gonna break down too much over time and kind of be a pain in the butt. The connections are super nice. One side is standard, the other side is a swivel for where you connect it, so that's nice. 110 feet, coming in at $32.63. And then they also have a matching set, watering set, so you get the longer extension as well as a regular one with a bunch of different spray patterns. So actually both of them have 6 spray patterns. So that's nice, and that is coming in at a price of $19.97. So more just kind of around the house stuff, not really detailing, but that's pretty much it. I've kind of gone up and down the line, all the aisles, and that is going to be it for today's Sam's Club options. All right, guys, so there you have it. Again, my local store, I think there's like 1 or 2 Sam's Club, actually 1, I think, in San Diego County. Costco is much bigger for us, so our store may be limited. If you have other things of note that you guys found at your local stores, comment down below so that you can share that with everyone else, right? So we can find those deals and kind of help each other out. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that video helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.